Okay, so we'll move to the last part of this class, which is resolution of vectors. Now, this part is different from the rest method we have been using. This method can also be used to add vectors. Yes. Now, if you look in our previous classes, we have been adding two vectors together, even many vectors. Yes. Now, but all those vectors they were not inclined at an angle in such this way. Just like these ones are inclined. I don't know if you understand. Now, see a system of vector where there are many vectors and all these vectors they are inclined at different angles. Now, how can we add such system? We use what resolution of vectors, okay? Yes, we use the resolution of vector. Now, there are many ways in which you can solve questions like this. There are many ways. I'll just give you guys the simplest and easy way to use it, okay? The easy method. Now, the way you can do is that you had everything every y-axis is always sine, okay, then the x-axis is always what cos. So everything we do here today in this place will be what? Sine, but everything here will be what will be cos. Okay, so let's start with this part. Now we start from this one, this vector 1. Okay, now from our previous class I told you guys that east east is what? The angle, the east is positive, it's also called positive x-axis, is what? The angle is 0 degree or what? 360. With reference to this line, if you reference to this line this and with itself as well, from here to here is what? Is 360 degree or 0 degree. That's tell you that the east direction is always the angle is either 0 or what? 360 degree. So I'll do like this: 1 sine, the angle in east is what? 0 degrees, so or 360. I will go here, I will do like this: 1 cos what? 0 degree. Then we continue. This is 2. 2, the vector 2 is inclined at angle of 60 degree. So it's easy. I'll do like this: 2, then sine what? 60. I'm coming. 2 sine 60. Then I'll go to this place. I'll do 2. Then I'll turn to what? Cos. Then 60 degree. Then what about this one? 3 root 3 sine, then 3 root 3 cos. Now, what is the angle? Is the angle actually 60 here? No, the angle is not actually 60. Remember, I told you guys in our previous class, I told you guys that, yeah, with reference to this line, because when forming an angle, we cannot, let's say for example now, we cannot, an angle is always with the reference of S. You cannot draw an angle like this, for example, and you put 90. No, it's always with the reference of S. So from S to this place is what? Is 90 degree. I don't know if you understand. So that is it. Now, with reference to S, now I told you guys that we always draw to form an angle is always from this line, from the horizontal, from the positive x axis to we use S as a reference. So from here to here, for example, okay, from here to here, I told you guys earlier that from here to here is what? Is 180 degree. Yes, is 180 degree. If you guys can recall, I told you guys that east is positive, the angle is 360 or 0 degree, while north is positive as well, the angle is 90. Yes, because from here to here is on 90. That's to tell you that north is always 90. Then while west is negative, this side west is negative, and west is what? Is what? West is 180 degree. Then what about south? From here to here is what? 270 degree. So south is always 270 degree and is negative. Okay, now let me continue from here. Now we all know that from here to here is what? Is 180. Since I'm coming. Since from here to here is 180, and from here to here is we all know that from here to here is what? Is 90. Then what about from here then from here to here is what? Is 180. Then you look at it and put 60 here. That is that is not correct because we this angle start from 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97 to what? To 180 degree. So we can never have 60 here. we can never, like there's the value that we roam about here will be from 91 to what? To 180. So we can never use something like 60. We can never have 60 here because from here to here is 90. Yes, that's to tell you that the angle from here to here range from 91 to what? To 180. That's to tell you that the angle here is not actually 60. So how can we get the rightful angle here? It's very easy. Since from here to here is 90, since from here to here is 90, then add the 90 with this 60, you get your answer. We have the angle. I don't know if you understand. We are looking from the angle. We are looking for the angle at here. That is from here. Let me just do it here. I'm sorry. Okay. So we are looking for the angle here. And remember, if you want to form an angle, it's always for as with reference to what? Reference to s. Okay. If from here to here is 90, and from this place to this place is 60. So what will be the whole angle? What will be the whole angle here? The whole angle here will be what? Will be 150. Add 90 plus 60 will give you what? Give you 150. So that is the actual angle here. Because we can never have value like 60 here. Never. I don't even understand. Because from here to here is 90. So value we will have here we supposed to range from 91 to what? To 180. Okay, so just need to add 90 plus 60. So our angle here is the right angle here is what? Is 150. Is 150. Then here 150. Let's go in the last part. 4. Then okay, plus. Okay, 4 sin. Now where's the angle here? As like the previous, the angle can never be 30 because why? From here to here is what? 270. So the angle we are expecting to have here will be from where? Will be from 271 to 360. So 30 can never be the angle here. Since this place from here to here, since this full place is 270, 270 plus 30 will give us the whole angle here. Will give us the angle which is 300. So the right angle here is what? 300 degree. Then we'll go here 4 sin 300. I mean 4 cos 300 degree. Okay. We add everything here. We add everything here. Once we get our y and once we get our s, we take the square of both of them. Then we take the square root. We get our resultant. Okay. So let's add them. All right. Let's add them. R equals to root. Now 1 sin 0. 1 sin 0 will give us 0. Okay, let me just wait. I'm coming. Let me look for total first. Why? 1 sin 0 give us 0. Then plus 2 sin 60. 2 sin 60 will give us 1.73. Then okay, 1.732. Okay, plus 3 root 3 sin 150. Now root 3 is 1.73. Root 3 itself is 1.73. Then multiply with 3. 3 times 1.73. We have 5.19. 5.19 sin 150. I'm coming. 5.19 sin 150. Sin 150. We have 2.595. Okay, we have 2.595. Then plus 4 sin 300. 4 sin 300. I'm coming. 4 sin 300. Okay. 4 sin 300 is minus 3.464. So it's minus what? Bracket open. Minus 3.464. Okay. So let's add everything. This is 0 plus. Let's forget. Okay, just add everything. Plus and minus give us minus. Okay. So here will be minus 3.464. We add this one, minus it from this one, okay? So let's do it. Let's do it. 1.732 plus 2.595 minus 3.464. Okay? So our y is 0.863. Now what about our s? Okay, let's look at our s. 1 cos 0. 1 cos 0 will give us 1. Then plus 2 cos 60. 2 cos 60. Cos 60 is 0.5. 0.5 times 2, that is 1. So, yeah, 2 cos 60. 2 cos 60 is 1. Then plus 3 root 3 is 5.19. 5.19. 5.19 cos 150. We have minus 4.494. The bracket close, then plus 4 cos 300. 4 cos 300. 4 cos 300 is 2. Okay, so we add everything. Okay. Everything here will be minus. So 1 plus 1 give you 2. Then minus 4.494 plus 2. 2 plus 2. This 2 plus 2 give us 4. Then we're left with. So if we minus this one, we have 4 minus 4 point. I'm coming. 4 minus 4.494. We have s equals to minus 0.494. Okay, so we have gotten our y and we have gotten our x. Now let's use them to look for the resultant. Let's use them to look for the resultant. Resultant is equals to, we can do y squared plus s squared, or we can do a squared plus b squared, anyone. So arrow equals to root. Our y is what? 0.863 the square, then plus our s is what? Bracket open minus 0.494 bracket close square. Remember, the square of a negative number will give us a positive number. Okay, so the square I'm coming. The square of 0.863 will give us root. Will give us 0.744769. Then plus the square of this 0.494. Okay, we have 0.244036. Okay, yes. So if we add these two together, let's add them together. Okay, 0.744769 with this one, we have what? We have 0.988. Okay, yeah, 0.988. Okay, I don't know if I could. Let me if I were approximate, or let me just self like that. The square root of 0.988. The square root of 0.988 is 0.99, which is approximately 1. So our answer is what? 1 meter per second. So that is our resultant. Okay, so that is how to solve questions under resolution of vector. At first, just know the angle. That is the important thing. At first, add all of them in the y, add all of them in the s. Remember, the y will always take the sine, the s will always take the cos. Okay, so the important thing here is know the angle, because they can confuse you guys. They can confuse you by putting. Look, you guys saw the example we did. They placed 60 there. So that 60 is not the right, is not the true angle there. Okay, so that is it. That is how to solve questions on resolution of vectors. Okay.